We have three sets here. Set A of 5 colors: red, orange, black, brown, white. Set B of 3 colors: red, orange, green. Set C of 2 colors: white and red. Let's start from subset. If you don't understand subset, please go to the link available in description, and here also I already made videos on subset. So let's start with subset. Can we say B is a set of A? No. Why? Because green is not an element of A. As per subset rule, all element of B should be available in A. So green is not available in A, so B is not a subset of A. Can we say C is a subset of A? Yes. White and red. White and red. So C is a subset of A. Can we say A is a subset of A? Yes. A is also a subset of A. Every set is a subset of itself, because all element of A is available in all element of A. This is the rule of subset and it complete here. So this is the reason A is a subset of A, because all element of A available in all element of A. Now this is the reason proper subsets develop. Proper subset. It means all element of subset should be available in set, main set, but subset can't be equal to the main set. It means all element of C must be available in A, but C cannot be equal to A. There must be one or two element extra in A. Then C is a proper subset of A. Here we can say C is also a proper subset of A, because all element of C is available in A, but C is not equal to A. This is the reason C is also a proper subset of A. Let's see another example. I have 4 sets here. So let's start to know what is subset, proper subset. So can we say here A is a subset of A? Yes, we all know every set is a subset of itself. So we can say A is a subset of A. Same here, B is also a subset of B. C is a subset of C, and D is a subset of D. One more thing, in all case null set. Here also null set is a subset of every set, because nothing is everywhere. So null set, empty set is a subset of every set. Null set is subset of C, null set is subset of D. Next, can we say B is a subset of A? No, because 10, 9, 28, these elements are not available in A. So B is not an not a subset of A. Can we say C is a subset of A? See, 17, 17, 62, 62, 200, 200. Yes, C is a subset of A and C is also a proper subset of A because C is not equal to A. Next, D. D is subset of B. 10, 28. 10, 28. So, D is a subset of B and D is also a proper subset of B because D is not equal to B. And B is superset of D. Here A is superset of C. So in this video I collected all properties, all things, superset, subset, proper set. I hope you like the video and it will be help you somewhere. If you like the video, press the like button, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to notification bell for latest update. Have a nice day.